Let's do some fidget trading with my cat. Right, Monty? Also, he's obsessed with brain lickers. He's in his bed right now with his brain licker. He's really annoyed with me, but this is the only way he'll do it. Anyway, let's get on with the video. Okay, these are his fidgets, and these are mine, and this. Okay, Monty, please can I offer for your tiny poppet? Sure you can. Thank you so much. I'll offer this big rainbow poppet. It's really loud too. And this rabbit mochi. Will you accept? Add now, please. Okay, fine. Final offer. This for that. Deal. Haha, we're rich. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. Do you have an offer for this pop tube? If you add one more thing, I'll accept. Oh my gosh, deal. There you go. For your dimple, I'll offer this butterfly dimple. Okay, fine. Thank you so much. You have an offer for these 2 stress balls. Can I please try out your stress ball first? Okay, fine. Yay, thank you. Haha, stand you. No!